Hello! Dear students, parents, and all teachers. Welcome to our AdarshVidya educational YouTube channel. Today's we will try to understand exercises of Class 8th. Subject, General Science, Chapter 5th, Inside the Atom. And so on. Like this. So, let's start. Can you recall? First one. What is meant by matter? Answer is: matter is made up of very small particles. Second questions is: what is an atom? Answer: an atom is the smallest particle of an element which retains its chemical identity in all physical and chemical changes. Third question. What is the smallest unit of matter? Answer is: an atom is the smallest unit of matter. Try this. Take a solid ball and a bundila to press both these spheres with your palms. What did you find? Answer is: solid ball does not break and bundila breaks into pieces if you press hard. Second one is: cut the solid ball with a sharp knife. What did you find? And its answer is: there is no cavity inside the ball. See next. Use your brain power. How will you think about atomic mass distribution according to Thomson's model? Whether this distribution is uniform or non-uniform as per Dalton's atomic theory? Answer is: in Thomson's model, the distribution of atomic mass is uniform. Dalton's atomic theory does not say anything about atomic mass distribution. Next is: can you tell? If the striker flicked by you misses the coin that you aimed at, where would the striker go? Its answer is: the striker will continue to move practically with the same velocity till it. Next questions. If the striker hits the coin, in which direction would it go? Straight forward to a side or in the reverse direction? Answer is: striker may go straight forward or it may be deflected depending upon the exact direction of the motion of the striker. See next one. Use your brain power. First questions is: which discovery did point out that an atom has internal structure? Answer is: the discovery of radioactivity 1896 pointed out that an atom has internal structure. Second questions. What is the difference between the solid atom in Dalton's atomic theory and Thomson's atomic model? Its answer is: the solid atom in Dalton's atomic theory is a single particle. It does not have any structure and also does not have any constituents. In Thomson's model, atom is made of positive and negative charges. Thus, it is not a single particle. It has constituent and has internal structure. Third question is: explain the difference between the distribution of positive charge in Thomson's atomic model and Rutherford's atomic model? Answer: according to Thomson's atomic model, the atom is a homogeneous sphere of positive charge. According to the report's atomic model, the positive charge is concentrated in the nucleus. Fourth question is: what is the point difference between the place of electron in atomic mass, Thomson and Rutherford? Answer: according to Thomson's atomic mode, the negatively charged electrons are embedded in a gel of positive charge and they are stationary. According to Rutherford's atomic model, the negatively charged electrons revolves around the nucleus. Question 5th. What is the thing which is present in Rutherford's atomic model and not present in Dalton's and Thomson's atomic model? Answer is: first, Dalton's atomic model. And second is Rutherford's atomic model. In Dalton's atomic model, Dalton's atomic theory does not tell anything about the structure of the atom. There is no mention of electron in Dalton's atomic theory. And in Rutherford's atomic model tells about the structure of atom. that are the electrons revolving around the nucleus. Then, Thomson's atomic model and Rutherford's atomic model. In Thomson's atomic model, the electrons are embedded in the jail of positive charge. Here the electrons are stationary, and there is no concept of nucleus. And Rutherford's atomic model, in Rutherford's atomic model, the electrons are not stationary. They revolve around the nucleus, which is positively charged. Use your brain power. First one. How many types of subatomic particles are found in atom? Answer is: there are 3 types of subatomic particles found in atom, viz. the proton, neutron, and electron. Second question is: which subatomic particle are electrically charged? Answer is: the proton is positively charged subatomic particle and the electrons is a negatively charged particle. Third question. Which subatomic particle are present in the nucleus? Answer. The proton and neutron are present in nucleus. Fourth question is: where are electrons revolving around the nucleus placed? Answer. Electrons revolve in the discrete orbit around the nucleus. Use your brain power. First question is: the symbol used for oxygen is O. There are 8 protons and 8 neutrons in its nucleus. From this determine the atomic number, Z, and mass number, A, of oxygen and arrange these. Inner conventional symbol. ANS, atomic mass number equals protons plus neutrons equals 8 plus 8. Atomic mass number equals 16. Atomic number, that is the proton number, equals 8. The conventional symbol. Shown in figure. Then, Z equals atomic number, that is number of protons, is 8. A equals atomic mass number equals 16. The conventional symbol, like this. Second question. Atomic number of carbon is 6. How many electrons are there in a carbon atom? Answer. The atomic number of carbon, that is the proton number of carbon, is 6. The number of electron in the extranuclear part is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus. The number of electrons in a carbon atom equals 6. Question third is: a sodium atom contains 11 electrons. What is the atomic number of sodium? Answer. The number of electrons in the extranuclear part is equal to the number of protons, that is atomic number. The atomic number of sodium is 11. Fourth question. The atomic number and mass number of magnesium are 12 and 24 respectively. How will you show this by the convention symbol? Answer. The atomic number, atomic mass number, and the symbol of an element are written as atomic number. 24. Symbol of the element. Capital M and small g. Atomic number. 12. Mg, the conventional symbol for magnesium. Like this. Fifth question is: the atomic number and mass number of calcium are 20 and 40 respectively. Deduce the number of neutrons present in the calcium nucleus. Answer. There are 20 neutrons in the nucleus of calcium. Note, the number of neutrons N equals AZ equals 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. Can you tell? First one is: there is a similarity in atomic structure and solar system. The planets revolve around the sun due to the gravitational force. Which force might be acting in the atomic structure? Answer. The electric force might be acting in the atomic structure. In the atomic structure, electric force is much stronger than gravitational force. Note, here the gravitational force is very small compared to the electric force, therefore, the gravitational force can be ignored. Second question is: positively charged protons are together in the nucleus. What might be one of the functions of the neutrons in the nucleus? Answer: one of the functions of the neutrons in the nucleus is to keep the protons and neutrons together by nuclear force. Use your brain power. Question first is: what are the symbols used for the shells which accommodate the electrons in various atoms? Answer: the symbols used for the shells which accommodate the electrons are K, L, M, N, respectively. Question second is: what is the symbol and ordinal number of the innermost shell? Answer: the symbol of the innermost shell is K, and ordinal number of the innermost shell is 1. Question third is: right symbol of electron distribution in shell of fluorine atom? Answer: symbol for fluorine atom equals F, electronic configuration of fluorine, K2, L7. Fourth question: which is the outermost shell of fluorine atom? Answer: the outermost shell of fluorine atom is L. Question fifth is: which is the outermost shell of sodium atom? Answer: the outermost shell of sodium atom is M shell. Sixth question is: which is the outermost shell of the hydrogen atom? Answer: the outermost shell of the hydrogen atom is K shell. Use your brain power. Question first is: use the following molecular formulae to determine the valences of H, Cl, O, S, N, C, Br, I, Na. Molecular formulae H2, HCl, H2O, H2S, NH3, CH4, HBr, HI, NaH. Answer is: molecular formula and valences. Molecular formula H2 and valences H equals 1. Molecular formula HCl and valences H equals 1, Cl equals 1. Molecular formula H2O and valences H equals 1, 0 is equal to 2. Molecular formula H2S and valences H equals 1, S equals 2. Molecular formula NH3 and valences H equals 1, N equals 3. Molecular formula CH4 and valences H equals 1, C equals 4. Molecular formula HBr and valences H equals 1, Br equals 1. Molecular formula HI and valences H equals 1, I equals 1. Molecular formula NaH and valences H equals 1, Na equals 1. Use your brain power. The following table shows molecular formulae of compounds formed by some elements. Write the valency of the respective element obtained from them and also their electronic configuration and the number of their valence electrons in the empty spaces. Answer. First is symbol of element capital H. Molecular formula of compound is hydrochloric acid HCl. Valency of the element is 1. Electronic configuration of the element R. 1. Number of valence electron X is 1. Symbol of element capital C small l. Molecular formula of compound is hydrochloric acid HCl. Valency of the element is 1. Electronic configuration of the element R. 2, 8, and 7. Number of valence electron X is 7. Its valency calculation is 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Symbol of element is capital N and small e. Molecular formula of compound is no compound. Valency of the element is 0. Electronic configuration of the element are 2 and 8. Number of valence electron X is 0. Symbol of element is capital F. Molecular formula of compound is HF. Valency of the element is 1. Electronic configuration of the element are 2 and 7. Number of valence electron X is 7. Its valency calculation is 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Symbol of element is capital N small a. Molecular formula of compound is NaH. Valency of the element is 1. Electronic configuration of the element are 2, 8 and 1. Number of valence electron X is 1. Symbol of element is capital M and small g. Molecular formula of compound is MgCl2. Valency of the element is 2. Electronic configuration of the element are 2, 8 and 2. Number of valence electron X is 2. Symbol of element is capital C. Molecular formula of compound is CH4. Valency of the element is 4. Electronic configuration of the element are 2 and 4. Number of valence electron X is 4. Symbol of element is capital A small l. Molecular formula of compound is AlCl3. Valency of the element is 3. Electronic configuration of the element are 2, 8 and 3. Number of valence electron X is 3. Use your brain power. First one is, when the number of the valency electrons in an element X is 4 or less than 4, does X match with the valency of that element? Answer is, when the number of the valence electrons in an element X is 4 or less than 4, then X matches with the valency of that element. Second question is, when the number of the valence electrons in an element X is 4 or more than 4, does 8 minus X match with the valency of that element? How many electrons are used to complete the octet? Answer is, when the number of the valence electrons in an element X is 4 or more than 4, then 8 minus X matches with the valency of that element. 8 minus X electrons are used to complete the octet. Use your brain power. First question is, what is meant by the atomic number Z of an element? Answer is, atomic number Z. The number of electrons or protons in an atom is called the atomic number. It is denoted by Z. Second question is, atomic numbers Z of some elements are given here. Write down the number of electron present in the outermost shell of each of them. Answer is, atomic number Z of hydrogen is 1, carbon is 6, sodium is 11, chlorine is 17, and nitrogen is 7. Number of electrons in the outermost shell in hydrogen is 1. Number of electrons in the outermost shell in carbon is 4. Number of electrons in the outermost shell in sodium is 1. Number of electrons in the outermost shell in chlorine is 7. And last is, number of electrons in the outermost shell in nitrogen is 5. Third question is, the number of electrons of some elements is given here. By using it, write the electronic configuration, number of valence electron and valency of the respective elements. Answer is: number of electrons of lithium is 3. Carbon is 6. Magnesium is 12. And oxygen is 8. Electric configuration of lithium is 2 and 1. Carbon is 2 and 4. Magnesium is 2, 8 and 2. And oxygen is 2 and 6. Number of valence electrons are in lithium is 1. Carbon is 4. Magnesium is 2. And oxygen is 6. Valency of lithium is 1. Carbon is 4. Magnesium is 2. And oxygen is also 2. Question 4th is: why are the atomic numbers and atomic mass numbers always in whole numbers? Answer: the total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of the atom is called the atomic mass number, A. The number of electrons or protons in an atom is called the atomic number, Z. Both protons and neutrons are whole numbers, therefore, atomic numbers and atomic mass numbers are always in whole numbers. Question 5th is: sulfur contains 16 protons and 16 neutrons. What would be its atomic number and mass number? Answer is: the atomic number of sulfur is 16 and the atomic mass number is 32. In next video we will see the exercise of inside the atom. Dear subscriber, if you have any problem in this video, chapter, or lesson, please comment it. Please like, share, and subscribe our AdarshVidya educational YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.